Welcome to CartoonsYouDraw.com tutorial. Today we're going to go through a brief lesson on how to use this system. It's an acrylic box. As you can see inside, you open up the case, is the flashlight. There's a button right here. You click the first button and the small light comes on. Shut that off, click again, and the large light comes on. This is the one that we need to use. It's LED, never gets hot, gives you thousands of hours of enjoyment. Close the lid. And at this point, we're going to basically put the template down, and we're going to scotch tape that piece so it doesn't move around right on top there. And then we use the second piece to put the tracing paper down. And again, you want to have this not moving around. Place it right up here and tape it. Okay. So the beauty of this is you take the light, move it up to the left-hand quarter so it's shining on the first square. First square, you're going to basically go through this whole system just following the dots. And on the first system square, we follow the dots right here. We're going right along to do the head of Avatar. Now, as you can see, we've drawn out. The next square is we're going to redo the dark line, which is dotted lines that we did in the previous square. Bring those around. And then we're going to start the new set of dotted lines. This is the ear. Bring it around to the chin. And his other ear. As you can see, we've got that part done as well. And then we go to the next one. We're going to do the whole perimeter of Avatar's head because it's all dark. Again, this gives you the repetition and reinforcement, eye-hand coordination. And after you do this several times, you'll be able to draw Avatar without even looking at any type of picture because your brain will have registered your eye-hand movements. And that's how we learn. And plus, it's pretty cool to be able to draw cartoons right out of your head. Here's the eyebrows. Again, we're going through the dotted line procedure, doing the eyeballs. Very simple. No art talent is needed. Anyone can do this. Anyone can do numbers, can do this program. Okay, now we'll do the inside of his ears. Because again, remember those were done in the previous square. Okay, now we're going to go and do his mouth. Again, we're going to reinforce the entire head again. And we're going to do his ears. And his eyebrows. And his eyes. Now we're doing his nose, which is the new part of the dotted line in square 4. So we pretty much have Avatar almost all completed right there. We'll go over to the 5th square, where we're just about done. Again, we'll do the entire head again. At this point, this is what's good about the light, is you can move it down. So we have better light when we're doing that. Let's just lift the top up, move the light to wherever you want. And again, we're doing his ear over here. Okay, and his eyebrows. Now the new part is this arrow, which is really the last thing that's being added on to Avatar here. So really by this point you've drawn him 3 or 4 times repeatedly, and you should have a pretty good idea how to do him without even looking at the paper. Last square is with the complete Avatar. So again, we'll start out with the head boundary.
New message from +13013705069.
We'll do the ear, his eyebrows, his eyes, and his mouth, nose, his other eye, and finally the arrow. So when it completed, in less than 4 minutes or so, maybe 5, we've done the whole sketching from the beginning all the way through to the final avatar. There you go. Thanks for watching the tutorial, and hope you enjoyed many hours of CartoonJuDraw.com. And show your friends how good an artist you can be by just following the lines. Have a great day. Don't forget to visit us, CartoonJuDraw.com.